Today we're going to draw a super cute and glittery sun. So grab your favorite glitter and let's get started. Welcome to Glitty Art. First, I draw a round circle. This will be the face of our shiny sun. Now I add long, straight lines around the circle. These are the sun's glowing rays. Let's draw a happy face, 2 cute eyes, and a big smiling mouth. Now it's time to color. I start by using gray and black to fill in the eyes. It's not a planet. The sun is actually a giant glowing star made of hot gases. Now for the best part, the sun's golden face. I use beautiful yellow to make it shine. The sun is about 93 million miles away from Earth. Even though it's so far, it still shines so bright. Yay! Our glittery sun is all done, and it looks super happy. If you liked this drawing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Glitty Art for more sparkly and fun drawings. See you next time!